MSPs today face increasing pressure to differentiate their offerings, drive operational efficiency, and create new revenue streams. HPE Compute Ops Management is a force multiplier, helping MSPs scale their services, enhance automation, and improve profitability. We enable partners to create new revenue streams with minimal people and investment. MSPs operate under two key business models. The first is owning the infrastructure and subscriptions, or the second is managing their customer-owned environments. Compute Ops Management supports both models with flexible deployment options. This means that MSPs can build service offerings around Compute Ops Management without disrupting their existing workflows. MSPs can monetize managed services with automated case creation, charging for proactive issue resolution with the ability to have secondary contacts, allowing partners to become the first line of support. Firmware and patch management as a service, charging per update cycle with SLO-backed compliance. AI-driven predictive maintenance, monetizing AI-powered monitoring and allowing to better orchestrate change management. And finally, competitive differentiation, transitioning from traditional IT management to intelligent AI-driven services that are built natively on Compute Ops Management, versus having to build any intelligence on their end or having to spend money to set up infrastructure to build this type of intelligence. The bottom line, HPE Compute Ops Management enables MSPs to scale faster, reduce operational overhead, and unlock new revenue streams. Whether delivering full service management, integrating with existing platforms, or enabling co-managed models, Compute Ops Management powers MSPs to move beyond traditional break-fix approaches into AI-powered proactive service offerings.